Welcome back everyone to my subscriber built Lego. So far we have 930 of you guys between 4 tiles. I am now adding a new thing where I'll put your name at the end. If you subscribe, put your name at the end of the video. Everyone who subscribes. So yeah, today we got up to 932. So we gotta add 2 of you guys. So yeah, at the end you'll see your name. Super exciting. So we got this right here. Ooh. So yeah, starting with subscriber 931, right there. Boom. Then subscriber 932, which will go right there. Boom. Thank you all to our subscribers. You can check their names out at the end of this video. Hope you guys will enjoy. If you want to see your name on the video or be added to the Lego, subscribe. And I'll see you guys all maybe tomorrow. Later.